Let's get to know more about how GeneusDNA works. GeneusDNA service can help you explore your DNA. We look at your genetic markers and provide you with a personalized DNA report with details on who you are and why you are. With GeneusDNA, you can discover how your body and mind work and things you never knew.
Let's check what our DNA says.
Do we need to take our blood test?
No, you only need your saliva sample. You can do this at home.
So let's order it now.
Order your GeneusDNA kit online at website GeneusDNA.com, Facebook GeneusDNA. Register your online account. After your kit arrives, read and follow the instructions. The instructions will help you register your online account before you send in your sample. And remember, don't eat, drink, smoke, or brush your teeth for at least 30 minutes before taking your saliva sample. Now it's time to collect your saliva. Rub the sponge along the lower gums in a back and forth motion 15 times on both sides. After you collect your sample, holding the tube upright, unscrew the cap from the tube without touching the sponge. Insert the sponge into the tube and close the cap tightly. Shake the cap tube 15 times. Place the cap tube in the small plastic bag. Seal the bag and place it in the prepaid postage original box. All that's left to do is to seal the box and ship it over to GeneusDNA. Your sample will be shipped to the lab. It takes approximately 14 days to process your sample in our certified laboratory. When your sample arrives at the lab, they are sorted and unboxed. Samples are scanned into the laboratory tracking system. Then, DNA is extracted and amplified to test for millions of genetic variants. DNA is loaded onto our chips, used to detect variants in your genome, and then analyzed from the genes that influence your body's and brain's function. You'll receive updates letting you know your sample is being processed. You'll be able to track your kit's journey to the lab through your private account. You'll receive an email notification letting you know your reports are ready. Get ready to embark on your genetic journey, a journey of a lifetime. GeneusDNA. Unlock the power in your DNA.